In every city around the world, there's a place where life feels more alive than anywhere else. The market. From the past to the present, markets have been the heartbeat of human connection. Long before supermarkets and online shopping, this is where people came, not just to buy food, but to share stories, build relationships, and experience culture. And even today, that hasn't changed. Look around. The energy is real. The movement is constant. Voices blend together into a rhythm you can't ignore. Vendors calling out prices. Customers bargaining with smiles. The sound of footsteps, laughter, and life happening all at once. This isn't just a place. This is an experience. Walk a little closer, and you'll notice something special. Street food. Fresh, hot, and full of flavor. Every dish you see here carries a story. Recipes passed down through generations. Spices carefully chosen. Techniques perfected over years. The sizzle of oil. The aroma of grilled meat. The crunch of something freshly fried. It's more than just food. It's tradition served on a plate. And behind every stall, there's a person with a dream. Early mornings, long hours, hard work, all to bring something delicious to your hands. These vendors aren't just selling food. They're sharing a piece of their life. Now shift your to the fresh side of the market. Bright green vegetables, vibrant colors everywhere. Tomatoes, cabbages, herbs, fresh from the earth. This is where nature meets the city. Farmers and sellers working together to bring freshness straight to the people. No factories. No shortcuts. Just real honest food. And that's what makes this place so powerful. It connects everything. The farmer, the seller, the buyer, all part of one living system. One community. One story. As you walk through these crowded paths, you start to realize something. This isn't chaos. It's harmony. A beautiful, organized rhythm where everyone knows their role. Every shout, every movement, every transaction. It all fit.